Right guys, we're back, and starting to have a little problem now, because I can only think of where 8 more platinum bolts are over the course of these next few levels, and there are apparently 13 left, if my theory is correct. So you know what, after this planet I'm just going to go on my best file for a minute and double check, you know, off camera, but I believe there's 40, I can't remember though, it's really bugging me now. Right, this one guys is very simple. Well, kind of simple. Basically, normal route, and like normal you go up here. However, we're going an alternative route in a sense. And there we go. So, right, the next one. Do you know, I'll stop the video guys, we'll be right back for the next one.